Many people try to fix their credit on their own, hoping it will be faster or cheaper. While DIY credit repair is possible, it often fails because the process is more complex than it appears. Credit disputes require proper documentation, accurate information, and strict timelines across multiple credit bureaus. Common DIY mistakes include disputing accurate accounts, missing deadlines, and submitting generic disputes without evidence. These mistakes can delay progress or cause negative items to remain on a credit report longer than necessary. Credit repair also takes time and consistent follow-up, which many people underestimate. When credit issues involve collections, charge-offs, or time-sensitive goals like buying a home, DIY credit repair can become risky. Professional credit repair focuses on accuracy, compliance, and strategy, not shortcuts. Experienced credit professionals understand how to identify errors, manage timelines, and protect consumer rights. If you are unsure whether DIY credit repair is right for you, understanding your options is the first step toward better credit and stronger financial readiness.